What's up, guys? So today we're working on my buddy's JK. We're replacing his hinges. So he bought some Jeep Wrangler JL hinges. So these are the new Jeep hinges. They're just a lot better. They got metal in here versus this rubber crap, and the hood can probably bounce and up and down a lot more with the rubber versus the metal. So he bought these. He was watching a video by JK Gear and Gadgets. So we watched his video. So we're gonna follow his video and throw these on. Alrighty, guys, so we just installed them. Install was pretty good. We ended up reusing the factory hardware, so that was a 13 mil box wrench. So we went from inside the fender well here. He has a zip tied here, so I was able to just slip that into there and then use this end of it. So that worked good, and then the top was a 10 mil, so we reused all the factory hardware. But yeah, this is so much nicer, and I think it looks a lot better than stock. So I just definitely a good upgrade if you're looking for better looking hinges. And I would imagine driving down the road, this is much tighter having metal versus that rubber being able to expand and contract a bunch of times. But yeah, the only thing I do notice here is you do have to kind of push it out of the way and then kind of go into it. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty great. Alrighty, guys, so thanks for watching the video. I'll leave a link and JK Gear and Gadgets video on the full install. And but anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.